If you buy a property that's already flipped, you don't have the headache of fixing it up, but you're buying it at a higher price point because they did the work for you. All the money is in solving the problems, and so if some of the problems have been solved for you, then it removes a lot of the work. Now, I argue that if you're moving to a new market or if you're starting to invest, you want to invest with less problems than more problems.
Really depends. When you buy a property that's already fixed up, you don't have room for equity, which is value that's stored into the property. When you buy a property that is dilapidated or needs work, you have the potential to fix it and then create an equity spread, which at a later time you could potentially tap into if you wanted to do more investments. So if I were in your shoes and you were considering either buying a turnkey or a beat up property, depending on your time schedule, if you wanted to create equity, I would buy the beater upper and then fix it up.